Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your name in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you tap open your Messenger app, you will end up in this page. So simply click on the hamburger like icon and select the settings option. So from there, tap on the username and then tap on the edit username. Now type in whatever username you want to set your name as. So try as much as the username that is valid and is available to be kept as your name in Messenger. Once you're done, hit the save button and you are all set to change name on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.